Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix your Tonkeeper wallet not working. So if at all you're having any issues with your Tonkeeper wallet, you're in the right place. Alright, so for this case, the first method to fix this is simple. Head over to your phone settings, okay, and in your phone settings locate the apps. So for my case, the apps option is over here, so click on that. And then after clicking on the apps option, click on the apps over there app, okay, and then within the apps list locate the Tonkeeper wallet over there, okay. So as you can see right now, it's still loading, so you need to wait patiently until it's done loading. So as you can see, it's downloading, so I'll just come on the search bar there and then search for Tonkeeper. When I search for the Tonkeeper, you see it's over here, so click on that. When you click on the Tonkeeper, locate its storage. Its storage is over here. I'll click on that. And then for this case, what you'll do is simple. The cause of this error one is you have to clear this cache over here. Okay. So you click on this last option and make sure that you clear its cache. Okay. After clearing that, make sure you don't clear the data over here, because if you clear the data, you lose your settings. More so if you didn't back up anything on your Tonkeeper. For example, you didn't back up your phrase, you lose it immediately. So make sure you don't clear the data. So after clearing the cache over here, you can head back to your Tonkeeper wallet and it will be working, or it will be operating very well in the normal way. If still it's not operating, the second method is simple. Head back to your Google Play Store, and then on your Google Play Store, make sure that you update your Tonkeeper wallet. So for this case, I'll click on update over there and then download the latest version of your Tonkeeper wallet, because in most cases it's because of the outdated applications that we have. That's why we get some errors. So after updating it, as you can see, it's at 100%. I'll wait for it to be installed, and then after the installation, we shall go ahead and open it and see whether it's now working in a normal way. Alright, so as you can see, it's still installing. Let's be patient until it's done installing and then we see what to do. Alright, so it's done now installing. Click on open. When you click on open, your Tonkeeper wallet will open up successfully. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.